In this video, we will discuss how to reset CSS POS data. Yeah? In this video, we will discuss this particular process. But before we start, this one must be pay attention. When we reset the data, all data reset, including all transaction item and user data, is make system as just first install. So this attention must be paid. To reset CSS POS data, there are 7 steps. Step 1, you log in the system, log in with system or any user with security level 5. Then you go to the utility module, then click on the reset DBF. Answer yes and wait for the process to complete. When the process completed, system will exit and then you log in again as fresh start using system and no password. Okay, now let's start the process here. We come to the system, we log in as level 5 security, then we click this utility, then we click this reset all training DBF. Click answer yes, and in here we wait for the process to complete. Now after waiting about 2 minutes, this one just click OK. Our system will shut down. System will shut down, then we will log in as a fresh start. Now I will start the system again. Start the system again. This is my program. I will click this one and enter, and then system will start as fresh start or fresh install. System will do all its process, then we log in using system without using any password, just log in. Okay, now you log in already as fresh start of the system.